In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Salesforce logo, brand, and colors to better reflect your company's identity. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or align your Salesforce instance with your corporate branding, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, to get started, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and give it a click. This little gear is your gateway to many customization options within Salesforce. Once you've done that, you'll need to select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This brings you to a more comprehensive set of options where you can start making your customizations. Next, in the Quick Find search box, type in Themes and Branding. This search will help you quickly pinpoint where you need to be to make the changes to your aesthetic elements. In the search results under User Interface, you'll see Themes and Branding. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in Themes and Branding, you'll want to create a new theme. So click New Theme. This is where the magic happens, and you can start customizing a variety of visual elements to suit your needs. On the Theme Edit screen, you'll see several fields and options for customization. Begin by giving your theme a unique name. This helps you easily identify it later, especially if you're going to create multiple themes in the future. Now let's move on to the brand image. Here you'll have the option to upload your custom logo. This logo will appear in the top left corner of the Salesforce interface, ensuring that your company's branding is front and center for all users. After that, you'll find options for brand colors. This is where you can choose hex colors for things like the global header, the page background, and action colors. Picking the right colors can greatly enhance the user experience by keeping things visually aligned with your brand standards. There's also an option to set a loading page logo. This is the logo that appears when pages are loading, giving you another opportunity to reinforce brand visibility during those brief moments. If you wish to further personalize the user interface, you have the choice to replace the default avatar image with something that fits the style of your organization. Though this step is optional, it adds a nice touch of personalization. Additionally, you can select a default banner for groups or user profiles. This selection helps maintain a coherent look across the platform. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, click Save. This is crucial to ensure that all the configurations you've made are stored. Finally, don't forget to click Activate in the top right corner to apply your new theme settings. Once activated, your Salesforce interface will reflect all your thoughtful branding customizations. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you'll have successfully tailored your Salesforce instance to better match your company's visual identity.